Okay folks, this is Christmas Day 2009. Blizzard coming in on the horizon. You can see the flag moving over at my dad's place, which means this business is about to pick up for tow truck drivers, snow removal people. Gotta love living in Northwest Minnesota. Oh yeah. Anybody need a ride? Might be your last ride, but pretty cool cars, huh? This is heading down the main street in Warren. Not too many people out today, but there's never too many people out any day in this little town. Oh wait, there's somebody cleaning a sidewalk. Yeehaw! That sucks. Can't even get a pizza or anything today at the gas station. But the pizza sucks at the gas station, so that's no loss. And they got the highway clean. Wonder if we dare go out of town. Kind of doubt it. I'll take a look in a minute. Oh yeah. Don't look too good out west of Warren. Wait till it picks up. This is nothing. I'll get some video of it later on. That pretty much tells it right there how light it is out in the open. I'm not going out there.
Fire request 94.7 rocks.
Roads are in fairly good winter driving conditions. If you got a four-wheel drive, and just take your time. Don't be a moron like some people. This is a mile south of town. I'm not going any further than this, but you can get an idea what the wind's starting to sound like. Good snow drifting across the road. I mean, not good for drivers, but a lot of snow drifting.